Welcome back. In previous video we have seen what is the sampling and the types of sampling. In that we have seen the first type of sampling, that is a random sampling. Random sampling is nothing but the selection of number of individual randomly without any consideration. That is known as a random sampling. For example, selection of a seed from a petri plate, that are the randomly, that is known as a random sampling. The types of a random sampling: with replicate, without replicate, systematic sampling, and stratified sampling. In previous lecture I was explained with replicate random sampling and without replicate random sampling. It is a simple concept: with replicate and without replicate. That means with replicates, that means without with replacement, and the second is a without replacement. That is simple concept. With replicate, that means first times, for example, selection of sample, they are done by the two times: first selection and the second selection. In that first selection we have select the number of individual that has the opportunity to selection in a second time. That is known as a with replicate sampling. And without replicate, the selection of a first time individual cannot consider during the selection of a second time. That is known as a without replicate or the without replacement. For example, in this raw data there are the number of balls are present. We have select the sample on the basis of a with replicate and the without replicate. For example, in first beaker there are sampling on the basis of a without replicate. Without replicate, that means there are the three balls are taken from the raw data. There is the first is the blue color ball, white color ball, and the green color ball, that are taken from the raw data. And the second beaker we have taken two blue ball and the one white ball. That indicates that the first beaker selection of sample on the basis of a without replacement. Without replacement, for example, they take one color one sample, in second one color two sample. In that there is no any criteria for the selection of sample, that are simple. In third types, systematic sample, the first sample are select randomly, and the selection of first sample or the first digit select randomly, and the another are select by the specific hypothesis, and that hypothesis design, that is known as a systematic sampling. It is a one type of a random sampling, but there are the some system to selection of sample. For example, in given example, select the sample 25 from the 5000. That is simple. N is equal to 5000, S is equal to 25, and the K is a sample interval. Our system or the systematic sampling, they have developed interval based sample selection. That means interval is equal to sample, interval is equal to number of population divided by sample size. That is a 5000, it is a population, and the sample size is a 25, is equal to 200, and on that basis sampling are done. That is known as systematic sampling. The problem are given for the U. Select the 50 sample from the 500 population of a student. So first step for you, that is a decide the denotation of our formula. K is a sample interval, S is the sample size, and the N is the number of population. Let's put in value in our formula. K is equal to 500 divided by 50, and we get a sample interval. K is equal to that value. On that basis we have take a 50 value from the 500 size of population. That are the simple diagram that explain the systematic sampling. For example, sample interval between two sample, it is a need to find, that is known as a interval sampling. Merits and demerits I will explain in a previous slide. Third type is the stratified sampling. It is a random sampling type. in this method population divided into small group, that is known as a strata. All group of population is known as a strata and the single group is known as a stratum. The strata are formed on the basis of age, height, gender or any other like common characters. A simple random sample are taken from each stratum. Sample are taken in a different sample size. Take the sample from the different stratum and mix them, and such technique is known as the stratified sampling. It is one type of random sampling. In this method population divided into two groups, that is known as a strata, and the single group is known as a stratum. On the strata are made on the basis of a different criteria such as the age, height, gender or any other character. That it is simple method. That strata are made, sample are taken from the each strata, they mix together and the sampling are done. That is known as a stratified method of a sampling. In the figure there are given stratified. The population are divided into two groups. Each group is known as a stratum, and from stratum we take a sample. For example, if you want to take a 50 sample from the 500 population, we have to first the population divided into two strata, that is the 500 divided by unequal groups, that is the strata A and strata B. Then sample size of strata A is a n1, sample size of strata B is a n2. N is a total population, capital N is the total population, n1 is a population of strata A, n2 is the population of strata B, and the small n is the total sample size. Let's solve the example. N is equal to n1 plus n2. N1 is equal to n divided by n into n1, that is a 50 into 500 into 200 is equal to 20. N2 is equal to n divided by n into n2, 50, 500 into 300 and 30, and the finally make a two sample n1 and n2 addition. Merits: it is a more representative, it ensures great accuracy, it is easy and accepted by all universe, it reduces the time, cost and the sampling. Non-homogeneous population can apply. Demerit: to make a homogeneous strata it is a difficult. Improper stratification make bias so that the sample cannot represent whole population. That are the total types of a random sampling here is completed. Any doubt you can call me or the contact with me. Thank you.